I am Izakre Delutolani Blessing. I'm taking you through QTS 101, which is Introduction to Quantity Surveying. We'll be doing this together with some of my colleagues. So this time we are looking at definition of quantity surveying, and we'll look at the responsibility of a quantity surveyor. So looking at the definition, quantity surveying can often be abbreviated as QS. It's a profession within the construction industry that involves managing and controlling costs related to building and civil engineering projects. Quantity surveyor, also known as cost consultant or construction economic, will play a crucial role in ensuring that construction projects are completed within budgetary constraints while meeting quality standard. We want to look at the responsibility of a quantity surveyor, which includes cost estimation. Cost estimation is one of the major responsibility of a quantity surveyor. It costs the materials, the labor, and the equipment required for construction. And then these materials and then equipment, they have their specifications which each professionals have to follow. So another responsibility is cost planning. Cost planning. A quantity surveyor will develop cost plan and budget for a proposed construction projects, which including preparation of initial cost, cash flow, cash forecast, and cost control. And the other responsibility we have here is procurement. We assist in procuring process by preparing tenders, documents. We evaluate bids from contractors and suppliers and negotiate contracts to ensure the best value for the client. Then the other responsibility is cost control. We monitor and control project costs through the construction projects. We identify the cost variances and implement corrective measures to keep the projects within the budget. The responsibility of a quantity surveyor, like I said, is valuation. They will value completed works by contractor and supplier for payment purposes. They prepare interim and final valuation, and then later certifying process payments. The next one is risk management. A quantity surveyor identifies risk and manage risk related to cost overrun, delay, and other project uncertainties, and advise clients on risk mitigation strategy. Surveyor change management. We evaluate and negotiate variation or change order to the contract scope. We also assess the impact of project costs and timeline and ensure proper documentation and communication with all parties involved in construction contracts. We'll also prepare the final final account statements. That is, analyzing project account upon completion, including reconciling final costs, assessing claims for additional payments or extension of time, and preparing true accounts. Quantity surveyors work closely with architects, engineers, contractors, and clients, and other stakeholders throughout the construction process to ensure that projects are delivered on time, within budget, and to require quality standard. They play a critical role in maximizing value for money and maximizing financial risk for construction projects of all sizes and complexity. Move on to the history of quantity surveying. In the last topic, we'll look at the presence, the practice globally. So we see that quantity surveying from several centuries has evolved. Why does this come to place? Is because of the need to accurately measure and value construction works. The profession at its roots in the United States. Its practice has since spread globally and adapting to local construction industries and regulation. The origin of quantity surveying can be traced back to 18th century in the United States, where surveyors were responsible for measuring and valuing quantities of materials and labor on construction projects. Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors in 1986 helps in formalizing the role of quantity surveyors and set standard for professional practice. And look at the global expansion. British Empire played a significant role in spreading quantity surveying practice to its colonies, including countries in Africa, like Asia and the Caribbean. Quantity surveyors were instrumental in overseeing the construction of infrastructure projects such as railways, bridges, and government buildings. We'll see that the role of quantity surveyor after the World War II. Quantity surveying experienced a surge in demanding globally as countries sought to rebuild infrastructure and housing. Quantity surveyors play key role in construction estimating, procurement, project management during this phase of recovery. Globalization of construction industry. With the globalization of construction industry, quantity surveying practices has become increasingly standardized and adopted in countries around the world. Professional bodies and institutions in various countries have developed their own standards and accreditation process for quantity surveyors. In the present day practice, see diverse roles of quantity surveyor. Quantity surveying plays diverse roles in the construction industry, including cost consultancy, project management, contract administration, and dispute resolution. They work on a wide range of projects from residential, commercial building to infrastructural and mega projects. Technological advancements. The practice of quantity surveying has evolved with advancements in technology, including the use of building information modeling, which is called BIM, then computer-aided design, and project management software. These tools are streamlined process such as quantity surveying, quantity taking off, cost estimation, and project documentation. Then in sustainable quantity surveyors are increasingly involved in sustainable construction practice and green building initiatives, helping clients assess the life cycle cost of the building, environmental impact of an construction project. We continue. We want to look at global collaboration of the role of quantity surveyors. Quantity surveyors often collaborate with multidisciplinary teams of architects, engineers, contractors, and developers on international projects. They leverage their expertise on cost management and procurement to deliver successful outcome. We can see that quantity surveying has evolved from its origin in the United States to become a global recognized profession with standardized practice and professional standard. Its practitioners play essential roles in managing costs, risk, and resources on construction projects worldwide, contributing to the successful delivery of built environment projects. So, thank you. We'll move on to the next topic in our next module. Thank you.